ist eine 6. Aber nicht traurig sein. Wird bestimmt das nächste Mal besser. Ja?
The teacher shouldn't laugh at the children. He should support them. The teacher shouldn't throw paper at the children. He should help them. The teacher shouldn't eat chalk. He should teach. The teacher shouldn't enjoy the fight. He should stop it. The teacher shouldn't celebrate the end of the lesson. He should finish his teaching. We use should for good things. If it is a good idea, you should do it. We use shouldn't for bad things. If it is a bad idea, you shouldn't do it. This boy shouldn't eat hamburgers. He shouldn't eat chips. And he shouldn't drink cola. These things are bad for him. He should eat vegetables. He should drink water. These things are good for him. Should never changes its form. Should is followed by the infinitive without to. I should go there. You should listen. He should tidy up. She shouldn't eat this. We shouldn't smoke.
Now look at the pictures and say what the people should and shouldn't do.
He shouldn't smoke.
He should live healthily and
He should stop smoking. She should learn more.
she should study more. She should stop playing and she should go outside. She shouldn't play so much and
The final advice.
Don't waste your time watching this show.
You shouldn't watch this show.